Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Thanksgiving. We're on the third and final video of this set. I've had a lot of fun with this and I hope you guys have too. For the turkey cookie, start off by drawing your guidelines for the body with an edible marker. Next, you're going to use thick icing and a number 104 ruffle tip for the feathers. Make sure the fat side of the tip is touching the cookie with the thin part on top. You're going to repeat this with orange and then yellow icing. Once that's had a chance to crust, add the head with brown icing and let dry. Then add the body with the same brown icing. Add the rest of the face details and the feet with piping consistency icing and you're all done. Next up is the fun N Gobble cookie, flood with white icing and let dry. Next, airbrush orange dots and go around the edge to add a little bit more color. Finally, you're going to write Gobble on the cookie with black piping consistency icing. Make sure you lift the tip off the cookie and let the icing fall into place. This is how you get straight lines when you're writing on cookies. Let me know if you want me to do a video on writing with icing in the comment section. A lot of it is practice, but there are definitely some tips that will help you while you're learning. I'm sorry you can't see the right edge of the cookie very well. There's a lot to learn about videoing while decorating, and I'm definitely learning as I go. Next time I promise to center the cookie a little bit better. And that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed these videos. I've had so much fun making them, and I'm excited to get started on some Christmas designs next. I hope everyone has a fun and safe Thanksgiving and eats just a little too much today. There's so much I'm thankful for this year, and at the top of the list is each and every one of you. I know everyone has busy lives, and the fact that you guys take a little bit of time out of your day to watch even just one of my videos means so much to me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.